Dear students, today we will solve the 12th numerical from chapter number 5. The chapter number 5 is about work, power, and energy. This is physics class 9. The question states that a 40 kg boy runs upstairs 10-meter high in 8 seconds. What power he developed? Dear students, uh, in the figure we see that this is a boy and its mass is 40 kg and he is going upstairs and its height is 10 meter. When he reaches the last step, then this height, this is 10 meter. Then we are asked to calculate the power of this boy. So dear students, we write the data here. Mass of the boy, this is equal to 40 kg, and the height where he reaches is 10 meter, and the time which it takes to maximum height or the last step, it is last step of the stairs, it is 8 seconds, and we have to calculate power. In theory section you must have learned about the concept of the power and the formula for the calculation of power. Power is work over time. So the work is equal to Fs, or work can also be equal to, first of all I write as work as Fs over time. Since now he is not moving in the horizontal direction, he is moving in the vertical direction, so S will be H, and the force which he will apply on its body to lift it upward will be equal to its own weight, and the weight is represented by mg. So the work will be equal to mgh, and the dividing by time we will get the power. So multiplying and dividing these values, mass is 40 and the value of g is 10 and height is also 10, and time which it takes to reach this distance is 8 seconds. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8 and 2 fives are 10, and 5 multiplied by 100 will give us 500. And since it is work divided by time, the units for work are joule and the units for time are seconds, and joule per second is called watt. So the work will be equal to 500 watts. I revise it for better concept making. Mass of the student 40 kg, height is 10 meter, and the time which it takes to reach the maximum height is 8 seconds. We have to calculate power. Power is equal to work over time, and work is calculated as Fs, or it is also equal to mgh, potential energy of the body, divided by time. Putting the values and after simplifying, we will get that work is equal to 500 watt. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.